Hi, this is Lori from Schutt Log Homes, and we are under construction. We are building a new hybrid timber frame home. This is a beautiful home, and I'd like to give you a little sneak peek at what we got going on. The first thing I want to point out is this massive structure on the front. This front porch is absolutely gorgeous. These are huge 8 by 8 and 8 by 12 beams that's holding this thing up. And if anything's going to catch your eye when you walk up to this house, it's this porch. So let's go inside and take a peek. So the first thing you're going to notice when we walk through the front door are these massive trusses that are towering over this huge space for the living area. The kitchen is going to be in this area at one point. As you can see, we're very much under construction. Excuse the mess. But we're just going to walk through here and take a little peek and point out a few of the accents that make this home really special. The first thing is check out this ceiling. Oh my goodness. You see these nice rafters with the shiplap above them. And then at one point these triangles are going to be huge custom windows. And you'll notice the log siding that covers all the interior walls. This comes with our kits, and it's just absolutely stunning. You'll notice this is 2x6 construction. It's framed in, so that gives you the options in this home. You can do log siding, you can do sheetrock, you can put any type of wall coverings on the inside as you like. We like the oak. One thing I'd like to show you is each one of these trusses are going to have these steel plates which really accent the oak, and they really make it stand out, and they give it that really old school rustic feeling. So let's take a look outside and check out the back porch, which is actually one of the best parts of this house. Check out this back porch. Holy moly. All of this is included in our kit. The ceilings, the rafters, these humongous beams. You have to get your own view though. We don't include the view. Well, thanks for joining me on this little walkabout, checking out our new hybrid timber frame home. If you have any questions, just check out our website at oakcabins.com. or give us a call. We'd love to hear from you. We'd love to discuss it. And remember, any of our kits, all the floor plans are fully customizable, and we can make them just exactly the way you want them. Thanks for joining me.